how to turn off voice in Apple Maps. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you won't be able to do these methods inside the Apple Maps. Instead, you want to go ahead and open up your system settings right here. Once inside, you want to scroll down and you want to go ahead and look for the maps option, which is basically this one. It is right under the translate option. You want to open up maps, scroll down, and inside we then have the spoken directions. You want to click on spoken directions right here, and inside we have the voice volume. If you want to go ahead and turn this off, you can just go ahead and make sure that both of these switches is not turned on, which is basically the direction post spoken audio and the directions wake device. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.